Hi there, I'm Jack from Twinkl, and in today's video we're taking a look at Twinkl's range of resources you can use to support learning on Earth Day, an annual event held every 22nd of April to raise awareness of environmental issues. Start with these lesson packs, differentiated for both lower Key Stage 2 and upper Key Stage 2 learners. Inside, you'll of course find a lesson presentation and a lesson plan to help you support your child's learning. The lesson plan includes the aims for the lesson, some keywords you will need to refer back to throughout, the resources you will need to prepare for the lesson, included in the lesson pack, and the success criteria that you will use to gauge your learner's understanding at the end of the lesson. The learning sequence is there to guide you through every step of the lesson. Written in bold are the resources included in the lesson pack and when you will need to use them. The lesson presentation included in the lesson pack is really useful as it helps to explain some of today's environmental issues in a child-friendly way, like deforestation and plastic pollution. It then goes on to explain some of the activities they'll be doing as part of the lesson, making this presentation really useful to help guide your child's learning. Work through the included activities with your learners, like these climate action cards. Can they sort these into the environmental problems table? Which environmental problem is solved by which climate action? There's also this assembly pack to support wider learning for a larger group of children on the day. Included is a presentation and a script to follow. The script gives some ideas on questions to ask children at each step of the presentation. It also suggests some other Twinkl resources to have ready, like the climate change photo pack, or some optional music to set the scene in the assembly. Then work through the presentation, reveal the facts, and discuss how we can take action. Twinkl have a wide range of cross-curricular Earth Day and climate change resources to help support learning across the curriculum on the day. This resource pack contains an Earth Day acrostic poem template, as well as differentiated reading comprehension activities to support literacy. This endangered animals map is also included in the resource pack and allows learners to see what countries protected animals live in. Can your learners research these countries and these animals? Elsewhere on the Twinkl website, you could try writing a letter to a local MP about plastic pollution, a real-world writing contest. Or check out this Earth Day art project, painting landscapes in the style of David Hockney. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to the Twinkl Key Stage 2 YouTube channel.